Hello guys, I hope you're doing well in your life. I am Chittora and this is my YouTube channel Chittok. Please show your support to my channel and subscribe it. Share my videos and press the like button. So talking about this course is divided into 4 parts. In first 3 part, you learn how to use Watson Assistant and with this we make one bot also. And in last part there is a video of our bot which we made in our course. So please see all the parts and there is a PDF in description also in which all the things are mentioned in details. So let's continue with some theory. So, what is Watson Assistant? IBM Watson Assistant is a service on IBM Cloud to help you build and deploy virtual assistant. Most chatbots try to mimic human interaction, which can frustrate users when a misunderstanding arises. Watson Assistant is more. It knows when to search for an answer from a knowledge base, when to ask for clarity, and when to direct the user to a human. So, what are the components of the chatbot? Intents, entities, and the dialog flow, which we see in the chatbot. The intent refers to a goal the customer has in mind when typing in a question or comment. Entity refers to the modifier the customer uses to describe their issue. Dialog uses the intents that are identified in the user input plus context from the application to interact with the user and ultimately provide a useful response. So, let's come to our IBM interface and see how to make a chatbot. Let's go. These are the links which I provided in the description box. Check out them. This link open this interface and this is the direct link. When you make one of the chatbot, you can open that directly from here. So now let's come to there. We are here in the IBM login interface. So you have to first sign up and then after sign up, type your ID and password to enter in this. Now you enter in the world of IBM. Now see, here there is a search bar. Here type Watson Assistant. Here you got the option. Then this windows occur. Keep it default. And there is an option of create a new screen. I am the existing user, so I click on view existing. Then click on launch Watson Assistant. So when you enter, you see some default tools. So I already make one of the chatbot, so I explain it to you in detail how all going on and how can you make this. So let's start. This is the chatbot. This is the dialog flow which I made. Now firstly I will show you how to create assistant. Here's an option of create assistant. Click on it. Then give your name to the assistant. 3. Then click on create assistant. Here is an option of add dialog skill. Click on it. Okay. Up to here and click create skill. Give name to skill. Card. You want to give description, give here and create dialog skill. Now you came to here and click on it. Now there is option of intent, entities and dialog which we discussed earlier. When we come in dialog, there are two options, welcome and anything else. Note, these are two nodes. When you click on welcome, you will see they are predefined assistant response. So we delete them and add our own responses. And here you can see here that is written welcome. Delete this. You can see here there is intents, entities and context variable. What is this? It is the condition if assistant recognize the intent entities or a constant variable This could be the responses. So before telling you about this, I will tell you what are the responses that bot can give. So add response type option. Here you have to first give the entity name. So I give here welcome. Okay. Click on add response type. Here you can give a response in a text form. Here you can add many examples which can be written to the user. It can be a random. Any response can chatbot give to user. Then click on once again add response type. When you click on this drop down button, you can see here the option text, option, pauses, image, connect to human agent, search skill. In my original chatbot, I use text, option, and image. So what option can do? In option, you can give the title to the option, any title. And add option or button, you can add the name of the option which is shown to the user, and this is the value which bot can give to the user. Then click on once again add option, and here you can add so many options. Now coming to next is image. In image you can give the title to the image, any title, and here you have to paste the source of that image, and here you can write the description of that image. So I tell all this in my original chatbot. So before that, first see how to make intents. So here there is an option of create intent. So firstly I delete this. In your screen you can see there is the option create intent. Click on it and give to the name to the intent, like welcome. Click on create intent option. Here write the examples. So now I am going to type few examples. These are typically the user question. See, I already write some examples. Here the example. Anyone here to help me out? Back, hello, hi, home. Will you take my order? So you have to add more variation of the same question. Then go back and then came to the dialogue. Dialogue are the responses back from the chatbot to the user here.